Trading Group is comprised of people from no experience in trading to having years of experience. Rob Betsch is a member of the group as well as a pro trader instructor, and in this video, he shares his top tips in becoming a successful trader.
My top tips as a four-year trader in our group. The first one is trade what you see, not what you think. The market does not care what you think. Until you have enough experience to have a little bit of intuition, trade what you see, not what you think. Number two would be follow the rules. This seems so simple, and it is. But we're humans. We deal with emotion. We deal with patience. We deal with discipline. And you need to wait for a trade that follows the rules. Once you start trading and you've got trades under your belt, you can start taking trades without a ball, but you'll practice them first. So one of the main things that I want to encourage anybody is to follow the rules. And then number three is trade with the trend. The trend is your friend. We all heard that before. Well, you trade with the trend. The trend is what gives you an advantage when you trade. If you're trading against the trend, you will not have that advantage. So trade what you see, not what you think. Follow the rules and trade with the trend, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful trader.
If you'd like to sit in behind the scenes on a live trading session, go to deltatradinggroup.com or call us at 888-646-8787. For weekly tips and tricks, subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook.